This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and app so the transfer can run smoothly. First, charge and unlock your iPhone, then open Settings only to confirm Photos permissions for the Picture Keeper app. Once done, plug the Picture Keeper into the iPhone using the correct Lightning or USB-C connector. If you need an adapter, attach it now. The app should detect the device automatically. When it does, tap Start or Import to begin scanning your camera roll and thumbnails for items to transfer. Now you'll make the active choices that control what moves and how. You select specific albums or tap Select All, swipe through thumbnails quickly to exclude blurry shots. Next, set the storage destination on the Picture Keeper device or choose Cloud Export if offered, and turn on the Duplicates filter so you don't copy repeats. Finally, pick image quality. Original preserves full size, high balances quality and space, compress saves the most room. Then tap Transfer to queue the files. Finish by letting the transfer run to completion and then verifying results. You should watch the progress bar and make sure it reaches 100% or shows a complete message before disconnecting. This prevents corrupted files. Once finished, open a sample of photos on the Picture Keeper device or in the export folder to confirm image integrity and count matches. If something goes wrong, reconnect the cable, force close and reopen the app, or try a different USB port. That fixes most stall issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.